Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display theme on Robinhood. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in robinhood.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official Robinhood website. Now right from the website, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button and use your credentials. And after you are logged in, you will be taken into this homepage. Now from this homepage, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now from the Settings menu, in order to change the application display theme, click on App Appearance underneath Settings. Now from the App Appearance page, you will be able to find the theme option. Go ahead and choose Light or Dark theme, whichever you wish. You can also choose the Market Hour option to set up the theme based on the market hour time. You can also turn on the accessible color options to enable color-friendly options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the display theme within your Robinhood account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.